We're back with another T-Shirt Tuesday. It's special again this week because we try to make every week special, but this week it's because we're working on this awesome car and we're documenting this detail. This week's T-Shirt Tuesday is the Ringbrothers. If I can work it. Ringbrothers. This week we're working on the splitter car. This car was built by the Ringbrothers in 2015 for SEMA. It is an awesome car, and this car is just phenomenal. It has a majority of the Mustang parts that they build, along with everything else that's custom. We're gonna be documenting it all with this week. We love the Ringbrothers. The Ringbrothers are located in Wisconsin in Spring Green, a few hours from us. I've met Mike, Jim, and well, everybody over there a few years ago, and I've had the honor to work with them on some of their builds and help them prepare them for SEMA. They're some of the most down-to-earth, genuine, awesome guys that build the most phenomenal cars in the country. So if you're not familiar with them, check them out. Ringbrothers, Spring Green, Wisconsin. Stay tuned next week for another T-Shirt Tuesday.